This April 10, Mindvalley will be unveiling its newest certification program to become a Mindvalley certified business coach. So far, since we launched certifications on Mindvalley, we have had 3,000 people across the world in 80 plus countries become Mindvalley coaches. Not bad for just 9 months. Our newest certification teaches you how to become a certified business coach. To understand the possibilities behind this, I want to introduce you to one of the world's foremost trainer of coaches, the co-founder of Mindvalley's coaching division, the brilliant mind of Ajit Nawalkar.
Hi, this is Ajit. You may have recognized already that the world around you is changing. The economy is changing, world's political environment is changing, a lot of the way businesses operate is changing. You might have experienced a lot of change happening at your workplace. If you own a business, if you're an executive, if you're an employee, you might be recognizing that things have been changing a little too fast. When things are changing and they're changing fast, we need coaches. Coaches who can facilitate this change with leadership of the organizations, with entrepreneurs, with CEOs, with founders. If you are somebody who has always been interested in facilitating great big changes in the world outside, if you're somebody who's looking to transition your career out of what you have been doing to something that is more meaningful, more impactful, if you're somebody who's struggling with more time freedom, if you're somebody who feels like they've hit a financial ceiling, an income ceiling, if you are an individual that would like to take this opportunity and be able to create some freedom for yourself in life, well, I have the perfect invitation for you. You see, here at Mindvalley, we love designing webinars, seminars, programs that will help individuals like yourself transition from one career to another effectively, to be able to elevate their own careers even more powerfully, to be able to get more out of life. And that is where our webinar being held on the 10th of April with me and Vision comes in. You see, on this very special webinar, we will be presenting to you the new opportunity that is unveiling in front of us as businesses adapt, as the economy changes. We'll also show you a very special program that we have created that you can graduate from in a matter of months and break the income ceiling that you may be stuck with, be able to get more time freedom for yourself, and also make a great impact in society, something that we as human beings as society desperately need right now. This special webinar is for individuals that are already coaches, people who are transitioning careers, individuals that are looking for more meaningful, impactful career in their life, individuals that want to break their financial ceiling and make more money even in their current jobs, and lastly, for individuals that want more freedom in their lives and be able to create more impact in the society as they enjoy all this new freedom that they have found. So if you qualify as any of these individuals, if you want to be a change maker in the coming times, I invite you to go ahead, click on the link below and sign up for our very special webinar that is happening on 10th of April. This webinar will first be a short training where we will show you how to break past your income ceiling, create more time freedom in your life, and also be able to create more impact in the society. And then we'll open the floor to questions from you, which will be directly answered by me and Vision. We are looking forward to seeing you live on this webinar.